we're gonna dissect these little guys. They're from the Dollar Tree. Got them a couple of hauls ago. And I got this one. And I got this one. And what we're going to do is, please stand by. We're going to take these cute little mason jars that I got from Walmart. Right there. And we're going to put the head here, the arms here, and the feet there. Okay? So we're going to dissect. First we'll start with, I think we're going to start with the duck. So I have my sewing tool out, and I am just going to, I'm looking for stitches. And I don't have my glasses on. So I'll probably fast forward this a little, because who wants to watch me cut open this poor little innocent, look at that, I got it in one try. Poor little innocent chickadee. Isn't he cute? 1, 2, 3. Actually, I should be heating up my glue gun. I think I'll start that up right now. So I'm just taking him apart. Unstitching him. Bet you if I gave this to Texas, my dog, he'd take it apart for me. Funny. Funny, funny, funny. It's Friday night. I started this. My house is quiet. My desk is clean. My Hobby Lobby haul all just got put away. My last video, or maybe, who knows when I'll get this done. This might be 2 videos later. Okay, so right there, is it stitched? Yeah, I guess it's still stitched. I mean, he was harder to cut. I do like using the seam ripper better this year because I got the perfect cut on the limbs. This one here, I had to guess where I thought they'd sewed him. But I think that these are going to be so great for Easter. I have to tell you, I must have put a lot of glue on this guy's head because that's still hot to the touch and my finger's burnt. Oh yeah, look at it, melted it. Ah, I guess I should eat it. Okay, so these were from the Dollar Tree. The mason jars I purchased at Walmart. Let's see if I can get his head on right. Yeah. There we go. Alright, so this is my DIY. I told you there was good things coming. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great night. See you real soon. Bye.